In this video, we will talk about how to write clean and efficient code, so make sure to watch the full video. Writing clean and efficient code is crucial for any software development project. Clean code ensures that the program is easy to read, maintain, and modify, while efficient code guarantees that the application performs optimally. By following best practices like using meaningful variable names, keeping functions short, and eliminating redundant code, developers can create software that is both robust and scalable. Additionally, adhering to coding standards, optimizing performance, and refactoring regularly help maintain code quality over time. This guide explores essential strategies for writing code that is both clean and efficient, ensuring long-term success in software development. 1. Understanding the importance of clean code. Why it matters. Clean code is not just about making your program work, it's about writing code that is easy to understand, maintain, and extend. Developers will often spend more time reading code than writing it, so ensuring clarity and simplicity is crucial. Clean code reduces technical debt, allowing teams to work more efficiently in the long run. It also minimizes the risk of bugs, improves collaboration among team members, and enables faster onboarding for new developers. In essence, clean code is the foundation for scalable, adaptable, and high-quality software that remains functional and manageable over time. 2. Use descriptive and meaningful variable names. One of the most effective ways to write clean code is by using descriptive and meaningful variable names. Names should clearly indicate the purpose of the variable, function, or class, eliminating the need for unnecessary comments or explanations. Avoid vague or cryptic names such as X or temp, and instead opt for names that convey intent, such as customer order or total amount. Well-named variables make the code self-documenting, allowing developers to understand its function at a glance. Additionally, using consistent naming conventions across a project enhances readability and reduces confusion, making collaboration smoother and troubleshooting easier. 3. Keep functions and methods short and focused. Functions and methods should be short and focused on a single task to ensure they are easy to read and maintain. A good rule of thumb is that each function should perform one specific action or calculation, avoiding the temptation to cram multiple responsibilities into a single method. This approach follows the single responsibility principle, SRP, a core concept in clean code development. By breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable functions, the code becomes more modular, easier to test, and more adaptable to change. Short, focused functions also make it easier to identify and fix bugs when they arise, as each function is self-contained and predictable. 4. Follow consistent coding conventions and style guides. Consistent coding conventions and style guides are essential for maintaining clean code across a team or project. Style guides help enforce uniformity in the way code is written, formatted, and organized, reducing inconsistencies that can cause confusion. Whether it's naming conventions, indentation rules, or commenting practices, following a standardized guide ensures that all developers are on the same page. Popular style guides, such as Google's or Airbnb's JavaScript style guide, can serve as valuable resources. By adhering to these guidelines, code readability improves significantly, making it easier for others to understand and collaborate on the project, while also reducing errors caused by inconsistent practices. 5. Eliminate redundant code. The DRY principle. The DRY, don't repeat yourself, principle is one of the most important concepts for writing clean and efficient code. Redundant or duplicated code increases the risk of inconsistencies, makes maintenance harder, and leads to unnecessary complexity. Instead of repeating the same blocks of code across different parts of a project, aim to write reusable functions or modules that can be called whenever needed. This reduces redundancy and makes the code more modular. Following the DRY principle not only keeps the codebase cleaner and more efficient but also makes it easier to maintain and extend in the future, as changes only need to be made in one place. 6. Optimize code for performance and efficiency. Writing clean code is not just about readability, it's also about efficiency. Optimizing your code ensures that it runs faster and uses fewer resources, leading to better performance. This can be achieved by using efficient algorithms, reducing unnecessary computations, and avoiding memory hogging practices. For instance, choosing the right data structures and minimizing database queries can greatly improve the efficiency of your code. Additionally, tools like code profilers can help identify performance bottlenecks, enabling developers to optimize critical parts of the code. Efficient code not only enhances user experience but also ensures that the application can scale effectively as it grows. 7. Refactor regularly to improve code structure. Refactoring is the process of restructuring existing code without changing its external behavior. Regularly refactoring your code helps maintain its cleanliness and adaptability over time. As projects grow, code can become cluttered with inefficiencies, technical debt, or outdated structures. By continuously reviewing and refining the code base, developers can improve the code structure, eliminate redundancies, and simplify complex functions. Refactoring makes the code more modular, easier to test, and more aligned with best practices. It's important to schedule time for refactoring in the development process to ensure that the code remains clean, efficient, and scalable throughout the project's lifecycle. 8. Use comments wisely. Clarify, don't over-explain. Comments play a valuable role in explaining the intent behind certain sections of code, but they should be used sparingly and effectively. Over-commenting can clutter the code, while under-commenting can leave important details unclear. The goal is to write self-explanatory code that requires minimal comments. When comments are necessary, they should clarify the why rather than the what, explaining the reasoning behind a particular solution rather than restating what the code already does. Avoid adding obvious comments that simply repeat the code's function. Instead, focus on providing meaningful explanations for complex logic or unusual decisions that might not be immediately clear to other developers. 9. Write unit tests to ensure code reliability. Unit testing is an essential practice for ensuring that individual components of your code work as intended. Writing unit tests for your functions and modules allows you to identify bugs early, ensuring that the code behaves correctly in different scenarios. Tests also act as documentation, providing a clear understanding of how functions should perform. By implementing automated tests, developers can verify the accuracy of their code with each update, reducing the likelihood of errors during future development phases. Clean and efficient code is often accompanied by a robust suite of tests, providing a safety net that ensures code quality and reliability. 10. Continuous learning. Stay updated on best practices. The field of software development is constantly evolving, with new technologies, languages, and best practices emerging regularly. Staying updated on the latest trends and advancements is crucial for maintaining clean and efficient code. Developers should make continuous learning a habit by reading industry blogs, attending webinars, participating in coding communities, and exploring new tools and frameworks. Engaging with peers and staying curious about new developments will help refine your coding skills and introduce you to more efficient ways of writing code. By keeping up with the latest best practices, you can ensure that your code remains clean, efficient, and aligned with modern standards. Writing clean and efficient code is not just a best practice, it's essential for long-term success in software development. By using meaningful names, following consistent conventions, and keeping functions focused, developers can create code that is easy to read, maintain, and extend. Refactoring regularly, eliminating redundant code, and optimizing for performance ensure that the software remains efficient and scalable. Clean code reduces technical debt, minimizes bugs, and fosters better collaboration among developers. In the ever-evolving field of software, prioritizing clean, efficient coding practices will lead to more reliable, maintainable, and high-quality applications. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you